Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can get and install Grammarly, keyboard, and editor in the Safari extensions on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Safari. Next, go down and tap on Extensions. Then tap on More Extensions. Now go down here and look for the extension called Grammarly. You can tap on the CO button, and here just scroll down or up to look for the extension. You can also use the search button here and type in Grammarly. And then tap on the Get button. And then tap on Installed. And just wait for that to finish. Once it has finished, it will be shown in the extensions section in here. Okay, now it has finished downloading. You can tap on the Open button, and in here you can configure your app. So tap on the Next button. So continue to tap on the Next button until it's finished. Alright, now we can swipe up. I'm just going to tap on the Skip button here as well. And you can sign into the account. If you don't have an account, you can create one. I'm just going to tap on Not Now. And say Add Grammarly Keyboard. So you tap on that to add in the keyboard extension, and then tap on Grammarly for Safari, and in here tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And down here it says you have not allowed this extension on any website. Whenever you go to a particular website, it will ask for your permission to use Grammarly, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. So if I go back into settings here, you can see it now has been turned on. If you want to switch it off, you can always go into here and switch off the extension. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.